Welcome to my channel. Box this Ultimate Science Kit by Discovery, and you can also give it as a birthday gift because I think it's gonna be fun. Okay, now let's open it up. Also, you can make slime, gem, and you can do gem excavation and volcanoes, and you can do the volcano experiments. Okay.
Wow!
And this is what's inside. There's this it's just poster thing. There's some instructions to make slime. And these are instructions to do the slime kit, to do the slime, the volcano, and the gem excavation.
Wow!
And this is the baking soda. It gives the baking soda with it. And this is cornstarch for the slime. And this is craft dye for the. These are craft dyes for the volcano and slime. This is yellow and this is red. And this is guar gum, I think it's for the slime. And this is blue dye. There's a pair of tweezers for the gem excavation, so you can take it. And there's a brush, a popsicle stick for the slime, and this digging tool. I think it's only one-sided. This funnel. This volcano. You can take the top off and pour the baking soda and vinegar inside and then put the cap on. So when it's gonna be easier. And this is a magnifying glass. And this is because they give two measuring cups. I think this one is for the baking soda, and I think this one is for the vinegar. There's this bowl for the slime, and there's one more thing, and the thing in this cube, this cube thing, where you can use that digging tool and dig inside for the rocks. And that's it. Even though there are three experiments, we're only gonna do the slime one. So we're gonna do the sticky slippery slime today.
Wow!
And the things that are included is the cornstarch, the blue dye, a small measuring cup, the popsicle wood mixing stick, and the bowl. And the things that are not included is the tablespoon and the water. And you need 25 milliliters of water. First, you need to use it. First, we open the cornstarch. Oops, I spilled some. We need 5 full tablespoons of cornstarch. One, 2, 3, 4, and one more. 5. That's all you need. Oop. Oopsies. And next, you need to. Next, you pour the. You don't need the tablespoon anymore. Next, you pour the 25 milliliters of water into the bowl slowly. And then you need a tablespoon again. You need next we need 1 tablespoon of blue food coloring. You have to twist that. You have to push down and twist, or else it won't open. So we need 1 tablespoon. Almost done. That's enough. There. Now we use a wood mixing stick and stir. I'm gonna stir everything together. If yours is a bit too dry, if your slime is too dry, add some more water. If it's too liquid, then add some more cornstarch. Add some water, some cornstarch. What is it? Slime for. I think I need some more cornstarch because I have to mix all of it together. So, and this is what you get. It might look a bit watery, but when you apply like pressure, you might want to use your hands because it's. When you apply pressure, it's very hard. See, when you let it go, it's like soft. It just turns into liquid again. If you apply pressure, you can like roll it into a ball. Actually, I think I need more cornstarch. The mix again. It's kind of hard. I get into a bit, or else it's like very hard. It's gonna be hard to mix if you like don't be gentle, but if you're gentle, it's like easy kind of. When you're done, it's gonna I'm done. It's just gonna look like this. It's just gonna look like a liquid, but as you press, if you press hard, it's gonna harden. Stripping right. if you apply pressure, then you can roll it into a ball. Look. Apply pressure, so it's there's actually a better name for this kind of slime, but it's not actually slime. It's actually called oobleck. If you be gentle, it's gonna be like liquid. But if you like press it, if you apply pressure, it's gonna be like slime. Look, I'm gonna let it go. I'm pressing look. It's going to look good after when I'm not applying pressure. If you want to know what's going on, it's actually all fluids have a level of viscosity, meaning how well they'll flow. Water is not viscous and it flows easily. Your slime will flow pretty easily until you apply force. Newtonian fluid. The slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. That means that it's a liquid whose viscosity varies depending upon the force applied to it. The more force applied, the more solid it becomes. Press super hard. It's super hard. But then again, if you let go, it just... So something that you can do is first pour some into the measuring cup. And then put it on your fingers like this. Put your fingers and put it on top, and it actually feels good. Just when you apply pressure, actually becomes solid in the middle of your fingers. And then when you let go, it flows up. If you like it, now I'm applying pressure, so it's like bring it out. Now, so thanks for watching. You can play around with it for some time. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.